Hi everyone, welcome to Ẹ̀kọ́ Èdè Yorùbá TV.
So this is 100 plus 1. Ọ̀kànlélọ́gọ́rùn-ún tàbí ọ̀kànlélọ́gọ́rùn-ún. He said ọ̀kànlé, that is we had 1 plus 100. We had 1 plus 100. Ọ̀kan tàbí ọ̀kan. Ọ̀kànlélọ́gọ́rùn-ún. Mọ́kànlá lé lọ́gọ́rùn-ún, ọ̀kànlá. So ọ̀kànlá lé lọ́gọ́rùn-ún. That is the meaning. Now this one you know is 100 plus 12. 100 plus 12 means méjìlá. You can say méjìlá. You can say èjìlá, ìkejìlá, lé lọ́gọ́rùn-ún. Now became méjìlá lé lọ́gọ́rùn-ún. Now 113, 100 plus 13. 100 plus 13, ẹ̀tàlá lé lọ́gọ́rùn-ún. That is 13 plus 100. 13 plus 100. Ẹ̀tàlá or mẹ́tàlá, ìkẹtàlá. Mẹ́tàlá, ẹ̀tàlá lé mẹ́tàlá, ẹ̀tàlá lé lọ́gọ́rùn-ún. And this one is also 14. 114. 114. Ẹ̀rìnlá lé, I said that 14 is ẹ̀rìnlá. So we can say 100 plus 14. Mẹ́rìnlá lé lọ́gọ́rùn-ún. And this one is 15. Some people will say ẹ̀ẹ́dógún. Márùndínlógún. Now getting to 5, I've told you this is 1 to 4. That is when we find lé. That this we had. Now this one wants to be removed, which is dín. Something is going to be dín here now. That is, we want to remove something from it. 115. Then we are now going for whole numbers. What is the whole number? Is 120. That is why I wrote 110 the other time and 120. So this is 120 now. Minus 5. You now read it from the back. Márùndín. What did I call this one? Ọgọ́fà. 120. We call it ọgọ́fà. Dín lọ́gọ́fà. You can see now. 120 minus 5. Now it now give us márùndínlọ́gọ́fà. Now we have 116. 116 means 120 minus 4. It should be reducing. Minus 5, minus 4. minus 3, minus 2, minus 1. So we are now going for minus 4 here now. will now become Mary, the same formula, dín lọ́gọ́fà. We are saying using ọgọ́fà, 120. Dín lọ́gọ́fà. Dín lọ́gọ́fà. Now, but I want to lift it up from removing numbers. Dín so 115, I said that dín 115 is equal to 120 minus 5. Márùn-ún dín lọ́gọ́fà. 116. It means 120 minus 4. Mary dín lọ́gọ́fà. 117. 120 minus 3. That is, you remove 3 from 120. You remove 4. Can you see now? This one is now reducing. Minus 5, minus 4, minus 3. Like this. So you remove 3 from 120. So it means eta. Let's use eta. I said you can use ìkẹta, mẹ́ta, ẹ̀ta. So we now use ẹ̀ta. Ẹ̀ta dín lọ́gọ́fà. Ẹ̀ta dín lọ́gọ́fà. 118. 120 minus 2. That is, if you have this, it's 18 plus 2. Give us that 20. That is 120. Méjì. Méjì dín lọ́gọ́fà. Méjì dín lọ́gọ́fà. And this one is 119. 119. That is, once you remove this one, minus 1, which is 120 minus 1. It will now give us ọ̀kan, ọ̀kan, ìkan, ẹyọkan, ọ̀kan, ọ̀kan dín lọ́gọ́fà, lọ́gọ́fà, ọ̀kan dín lọ́gọ́fà, ọ̀kan dín lọ́gọ́fà. Now, when we now see 120, like the one I've explained before, I've already explained this. 110, 120, 130, 140, 150. So 120 means 20 times 6. 20 times 6. That is, I said we have only holding and multiplication of the sign, which is àmì ìsọdipúpọ̀. 20 times 6, ogún mẹ́fà, ogún mẹ́fà. It now become ọgọ́fà. It now become ọgọ́fà. Ogún mẹ́fà. That is from one kan to 120. 1 from number 1 to 120 in Yoruba.